Below is a clear, exam-oriented, point-wise explanation of both topics, promotion and formation of a company under the Companies Act, 2013. A. Promotion of Company 1. Meaning of promotion. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of a company. It involves identifying a business idea and taking steps to bring the company into existence. 2. Promoter, Sec. 269. A promoter means a person 1. Who has been named as a promoter in the prospectus or annual return, or 2. Who has control over the affairs of the company, directly or indirectly, or 3. On whose advice, directions or instructions the board of directors is accustomed to act, except persons acting only in a professional capacity. Professionals are not promoters, e.g., lawyers, CAS, CSs, valuers, if they only give professional advice. 3. Position of promoter. A promoter is not an agent, company does not yet exist. A promoter is not a trustee, no trust is formed yet. But courts treat him as a fiduciary, someone in a position of trust. Case law. Erlanger v. New Sombrero Phosphate Company promoter must disclose all material facts, else company can rescind the contract. 4. Powers of a promoter. A promoter may decide the name of the company, finalize objects and prepare MOA and AOA, arrange for signatories to MOA, appoint first directors if required, arrange initial capital, enter into pre-incorporation contracts, arrange for professional services, lawyers, CAS, valuers, bankers, file documents for registration. 5. Duties of promoter, fiduciary duties. A. Duty of disclosure. Must disclose all material facts to the company, its board, or its shareholders. Must disclose any personal interest in contracts. B. Duty not to make secret profit. If promoter makes undisclosed profit, he must refund it to the company. C. Duty of good faith. Must act honestly and in the best interest of the company. D. Duty to avoid conflict of interest. Promoter's interest must not conflict with the company's interest. 6. Liabilities of promoter. 1. Civil liability. Liable to refund secret profits. Liable for pre-incorporation contracts, unless adopted by the company under Specific Relief Act, 1963. Liable for misstatements in prospectus, Sec. 35(2). Criminal liability. For fraudulent activities, Sec. 447. For fraudulent activities, Sec. 447. For false statements in prospectus 3. Liability under contract law. Since company does not exist, promoter is personally liable on pre-incorporation contracts. 4. Liability towards third parties. For breach of warranty of authority, if he pretends to act for a non-existent company. B. Formation of a company. Formation involves 3 stages. 1. Promotion. 2. Formation. B. Formation of a company. Formation involves 3 stages. 1. Promotion. 2. Incorporation, registration. 3. Commencement of business. 1. Formation of company, Sec. 3. A company may be formed for any lawful purpose by I. One-person company, OPC. One person is member plus one nominee. E. Private company. 2 or more persons. E. Public company. 7 or more persons. They subscribe their names to the Memorandum of Association, MOA, and comply with the Act. 2. Procedure of registration, incorporation. Step 1. Acquire digital signature certificate, DSC. Required for online filing. Step 2. Obtain director identification number, DIN. Through SPICE Plus form. Step 3. Name approval, run, SPICE Plus Part A. File application for unique name. Must comply with name rules, 2014. Step 4. Preparation of documents. MOA. AOA. Declaration by directors, INC 9. Registered office proof. Identity and address proofs. Consent of directors, DIR 2. Step 5. Filing SPICE Plus form, Part B. Integrated form for incorporation. DIN, PAN, TAN, GST, optional. EPFOESIC. Bank account, optional. Step 6. Payment of fees. Stamp duty plus ROC fees. Step 7. Verification by Registrar of Companies, ROC. ROC verifies all documents. 3. Certificate of Incorporation, COI. If satisfied, ROC issues Certificate of Incorporation, SEC. 7. 4. Effects of Certificate of Incorporation, SEC. 9. Once COI is issued. 1. Company becomes a body corporate. Separate legal entity. Perpetual succession. Common seal, optional. 2. Legal personality begins. Acts done earlier become valid only after incorporation. 3. Binding force of memorandum and articles. MOA and AOA bind. Company left-right arrow members. Members left-right arrow company 4. Certificate is conclusive evidence. COI cannot be challenged even if irregularities exist. Musa Ghulam Arif v. Ibrahim Ghulam Arif, COI is conclusive proof of valid incorporation. 5. Company can own property, enter contracts, sue and be sued, borrow money, appoint employees. 5. Commencement of business, SEC. 10A. A company having share capital must file a declaration that subscribers have paid the value of shares. Verification of registered office. Only then it can commence business. Ready for exam revision. If you want, I can also provide short notes, on-page summary, case law chart, MCQs for revision. Just tell me. Here is a clear, concise, exam-oriented case brief of Erlanger v. New Sombrero Phosphate Company, 1878. One of the most important cases on promoters' fiduciary duties. Erlanger v. New Sombrero Phosphate Company, 1878. 3 AC 1218. 1874-80, all ER Rep 271 *. Court. House of Lords, UK. Area of law. Company law, promoters' duties, disclosure, fiduciary relationship, secret profits. Facts. Erlanger, the promoter, purchased an island rich in phosphate deposits for £55,000. He then formed New Sombrero Phosphate Company and sold the island to the company for £110,000, making a huge secret profit. The board of the newly formed company consisted mostly of nominee directors chosen by the promoter, who did not independently evaluate the transaction. The shareholders were not told, or the real purchase price, or the promoter's profit or the lack of independent valuation. Once the company began operations, the business failed. The company, after liquidation, sought to rescind the contract and recover the island or compensation. Issues. 1. Does a promoter stand in a fiduciary, trust-like, relationship to the company? 2. Is a promoter required to disclose profits and material facts? 3. Can the company rescind the contract due to non-disclosure? Health decision. 1. Promoter stands in a fiduciary position. A promoter must act in utmost good faith toward the company he promotes. 2. Full disclosure is mandatory. A promoter must disclose all material facts, especially profits made, his interest in the transaction, any prior mandatory. Up to. Full disclosure is mandatory. A promoter must disclose all material facts, especially profits made, his interest in the transaction, any prior dealings. Disclosure must be to an independent board, or the shareholders. Disclosure is mandatory. A promoter must disclose all material facts, especially profits made, his interest in the transaction, any prior dealings. Disclosure must be to an independent board, or the shareholders, not to a board controlled by the promoter. 3. Non-disclosure right pointing arrow company can rescind the contract. The House of Lords held the company was entitled to rescind the contract even though the company had already begun operations, and some delay occurred before seeking rescission. Rule of law, ratio. A promoter is in a fiduciary relationship with the company and must avoid making secret profits, fully disclose all material facts, act fairly and honestly. Failure to do so allows the company to rescind the contract, recover secret profits. Significance. Foundation case on fiduciary duties of promoters. Widely cited in India under the Companies Act, 2013. Establishes that promoters cannot sell their property to the company at an undisclosed profit. Set standard for disclosure, right pointing arrow to independent directors or shareholders. If you want, I can also. Fiduciary duties in simple words. A fiduciary duty means a person must act with complete honesty, loyalty, and care for someone else's benefit, not for their own personal gain. Simplest explanation. If someone is in a fiduciary position, they must 1. Put the other person's interest first. 2. Not cheat or make secret profits. 3. Be honest and fair. 4. Avoid conflicts of interest. 5. Tell all important facts, full disclosure. Example. A promoter has fiduciary duties to the company. So he cannot secretly buy property for 10 lakh rupees and sell it to the company for 20 lakh rupees without telling anyone. Online meaning. Fiduciary duty equals acting like a trustworthy guardian for someone else's interests. If you want, I can also explain with relatable daily life examples.